Inbound calls. What is my goal on an inbound call? What am I selling? The appointment. Good. And I can say anything I want to set the appointment as long as I don't what?
Lie.
Good. I'm never going to lie to anybody. Most people, though, aren't selling appointments on the inbound calls. They're selling cars. And I'll prove it to you, okay? Most people are selling cars. All you got to do is throw them the slightest curveball and they crumble, okay? And I'm going to show it to you right now. Who sells a lot of cars in this market? Who's like a big name in your head? Power, okay? Somebody give me a used car, 3, 4, 5 years old, please. Anything. Normal.
Yukon XL.
Yukon XL, okay? That's the Tahoe, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, are you a salesperson?
Yes, I am.
Sweet, awesome. There was a green GMC Yukon XL on the website a couple days ago. It was a 2019. I just want to see if you still have that vehicle, please. I don't see it on the website now. It was a 19 Yukon. Green. Yes, sir. And I don't see it on the site now. Yeah, I couldn't find it either. Those things go pretty quick, so. No problem. All right, thank you. I really appreciate it. No problem. I love you. Is a manager ever going to get to touch that call? No. Nobody's probably ever going to get to touch that call. Write this down right in front of you, please. Don't say yes. Don't say no. If you take an inbound call, it doesn't matter what the car is. Don't say yes. Don't say no. You're calling on the 2019 Yukon. That is a
Hot seller car.
You called the
Best dealership.
I love the
Car business.
Yukon. Let me do this. Let me check on that Yukon for you. It's not going to take me long. And while I'm checking on that Yukon, I could also check on other vehicles like it too. You looking for just Yukons or just nice full-size SUVs in that price range? What are most people going to say?
Full-size SUV in the price range.
Yeah. And even if they're not, they're like, no, I just want the Yukon. You don't want to tell somebody you don't have the vehicle before you find out a lot of information. Jacob, if 10 people buy a car from you, sir, how many have a trade out of the 10?
Probably 6.
So there's a 60% chance if I don't have the car, I can still set the appointment on the what?
Great.
What am I driving now? He doesn't know, right? Said maybe my credit's bad. We don't know. All we know is that we what? We don't know. So we just want to complement the choice and expand the inventory. Here's what I like doing if I got, say, in a store. Every single phone call that comes in, I have the salesperson fill out the call sheet. Same stuff people have been doing for 20 years. I stick the stuff in CRM, which, isn't always the easiest sometimes, depending on your CRM. And then where do I go right after that? Who do I go see? Hey, Kenny, I just talked to this guy, 2019 Yukon, I messed up. I got his name, it's Kyle Disher off caller ID, and I messed up, dude. He wants to buy a Yukon. Can you help me? And most managers, what should they do? Oh, no problem, let me help you out. Let me see what I got. And then a manager calls. A manager is never gonna call me back. What would happen if a customer walked in here and said, hey, I want the 2019 Yukon? Would we just kick him out, or we have him talk to a manager? If it's a good idea on the phone, it's a good idea on the showroom, it's a good idea everywhere, right? It's the same customer. So, 2019 Yukon, that is a?
Great car.
You called the?
Right dealership.
I love the?
Yukon.
Awesome. So let me do this. Let me check on those Yukons. And what are you driving now?
EV6.
Oh, cool. How long have you had the EV6?
6 months.
Those are nice. What are you planning on doing with your EV6?
Like when I'm done?
Yeah.
Haven't decided.
We'd love to buy it. We're looking to buy vehicles right now. So when you come in, I'm telling you, we can't even get those EV6s. So we're trying to buy them all day, every day. Where'd you buy the EV6?
Here at West.
Nice. So thank you. I appreciate you considering us, kid. Well, let me do this. Let me check on that Tahoe. And because I'm just trying to do what? Get him in. Do you really drive an EV6?
Yes.
How much is your EV6 worth?
Like value-wise?
Yeah.
I have no idea right
If you did know, what's it worth?
now. 30.
$30,000, okay? Your EV6 is worth $30,000. It is the biggest piece of crap I've ever seen in my entire life. You are a dirty, filthy, disgusting person, and you should be ashamed to be here. How dare you, sir?
I'll get out of here.
Or your EV6 is a fantastic vehicle. I love your EV6. We need an EV6 like yours, and it's worth $30,000. It's the same number either way. I hope he wants too much for his car when he comes in. Because if he wants too much for his car, if he thinks I'm going to give him too much for his car, he's more likely to do what? Show up. All I want to do is get him in without what? Lying. And from the guy that has his name on the front of the building, I just heard that 6 out of 10 times people have a what?
Great.
So we should have at least 60% appointments, even if we don't have the car, right? By getting super excited about people's current car. So I don't say yes, I don't say no, I expand the inventory, engage the trade, and if you just do this, you're gonna have a ton of appointments. 10 calls come in, how many should touch a manager, sales manager? 10.